So iPhone season is officially upon us, and my iPhone should be arriving today, which I'm quite excited about. Watch out for that unboxing video and first impressions coming soon. But today we're actually taking a look at a case, and this case I don't think I've actually ever reviewed on the channel or taken a look at. It's called Casebang, the company, and the case has got a pretty good feature that I think a lot of you are going to like, so stay tuned for that. But before we get into that, my name's Almir, aka MrHtech, and on this channel we make tech simple. If it's your first time here and you like tech content, Apple content, etc., be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all the latest videos coming very soon. As well as, if you like the video, do hit that like button and share it with your friends and family that you think will find this beneficial. So let's go check it out. So let's talk about the Casebang case before we talk about anything else. Straight off the bat, we've got that MagSafe ring on the back, and you might notice there's not much camera protection, but I'll explain why that is a bit later on. The case is pretty slim when you're holding it, and then there's that camera control button that's been causing so much controversy. Now they've gone for the cutout version, not the button version or the big slice out version. However, I do like that they've got this like little slope going down to the button. How effective the actual camera control button is on the iPhone 16 Pro, I don't know, as opposed to just tapping on the screen, but that's something we'll test out later on when we actually get the phone. Now, throughout the whole inside of the case, we've got something that Casebang call 360 airbag protection, which you might be able to see there, which is essentially a shock protection for if you was to drop your phone with the case on. Now, the case is pretty slim and you're not going to get an immense amount of drop protection, but it's definitely going to be enough for the normal drops. Then again, any drop you do is subject to damaging the phone no matter what case you got. So having a case on is going to be better than not having one on to begin with. Now let's pop this is a demo before you say anything. The iPhone 16 Pro should be coming in today at some time, but for the time being we're going to put this demo in there just to get a view of how it fits, and the buttons do press down so we can kind of get a feel of how the buttons on the case are going to react. So the buttons, from what I've experienced, the buttons on the Casebang case are very tactile. They're very easy to press. And you can see the cutout for that camera control. Very nice, and it should be easily accessible when you're actually trying to use it. We've got accurate cutouts on the bottom for your speaker's microphone and a massive cutout for your actual charging port, which is good because then it allows compatibility with a lot of different cables because they're not all that slim to go in there. And something I've noticed about the front, which, sorry for the fingerprints on the display, but I can't be wiping it every single time, is you get quite a big lip on the front for the face down drops, which should protect your phone as well. But I would always recommend putting on a screen protector, and Casebang do sell a lot of stuff as well as cases. They sell MagSafe wallets, they sell screen protectors and everything else. Remember to check the link in the description box below, because there might be a discount code there as well, and then you can check out these cases if you feel like you want to get one. Now onto the actual accessories. Now Casebang collab with quite a few known companies. So you've got Pokémon, One Piece, Sesame Street, and I think Chubba Chubs, and then they're growing that base quite a lot. I've got a few of the Pokémon back covers. So what you do have, you have the original case and then you have the back cover. And the cool thing about this is, in order to put the back cover on, it attaches with MagSafe, but then you can also use that MagSafe on the back. So you can attach a cover on, press where the camera section is, you'll hear a click, and it should click in, and then now you've got that section on MagSafe as well. So if you want to apply some sort of MagSafe product, that will also work on there. And then if you don't feel like using this one for say 2 days, you can always, I think I might have to actually remove the phone, which is a good thing. Then you can always push from here to remove that back cover, swap it for another back cover, clip it in, and now you're good to go with a whole new, essentially a whole new feeling case, which is a great little addition. Something I haven't seen companies do, but I feel like it's such a good thing for them to do. Now I wonder if you can use these covers on the iPhone on their own, because obviously the phone has MagSafe in there, and unfortunately not. You're going to need to put the case on, but that would be quite cool if they just made these covers where you could put it directly on the phone Or maybe, let me see, because that is a dummy phone, so I don't think it has MagSafe inside. Let's try it on the iPhone 15 and see what happens. 15 Pro. So it does magnetize on, but I believe the camera cutout's a little bit smaller for the actual section than on the phone, and that's because it's a little bit more raised on the camera bit. But you do get, remember how I said you get a little bit of camera protection on the actual case? Well, with the actual back cover on, it raises that camera protection. I don't think we've actually, there we go, clipped it in. So you can see now how much camera protection you do actually get. All your lenses are protected, and you've got a case that looks pretty nice. So that was the Casebang case for the iPhone 16 series, and do remember to let me know in the comments box below if you liked it, what you thought of it, and let me know what your go-to case is for the iPhone 16 and also what it was for the 15 and the 14 Pro, because I'm always interested to see what companies are coming out with and what improvements they've made. Don't forget, if you want to grab yourself one, there's going to be a link in the description box below with a possible discount code. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content, because it's coming very soon. And like the video if you liked it, share with family and friends, and I will catch you on the next one.